doing?
Library.
This isn't library. What is it?
Play with Legos.
Play with Legos. Oh my. Who gave this to you?
Santa.
Santa. We went to go visit Santa at the convenience store near us, Hotspot, and Santa brought him Legos.
Frosty the Snowman.
Yeah, you were watching Frosty the Snowman. Ooh, okay. So let's see what's in here. Instructions. Here, you gonna put this together?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
So, oh, there's the parrot's face. Okay, wait, this goes in between. So you do this and this. Oh, there we go. Then the parrot. Stick it out one notch over. There you go. Now, 2 of these for wings. Oh, wait, actually. Here, put this down first. Okay. And, I think you gotta do it like this, so that the wings stick out. Okay, can you do the other one like that? Can you put it over like this, on this part?
Yeah. Fitting, Mommy.
Does he need help? Is it not fitting? There you go. And then keep it this at the bottom, it's its feet. Put it down here.
Down here.
Oh, here. You gotta do it like this so that the feet, here. Oops! Oh no, it fell apart. Ooh. Here.
Star Wars Canada.
Yeah.
Star Wars Canada. Star Wars Canada. See the Star Wars Canada.
Yeah.
See the Star Wars Canada.
Alright, so here, now put the face here.
Face. Yeah.
Okay. Here, you put the wings on.
Wings.
Okay, we'll do it like that. It'll be more secure.
Parrot.
It's a parrot. Polly, want a cracker? Does Polly want a cracker?
Yeah.
Oh, here, feed him a cracker. Say thank you. Thank you to the hotspot. Say thank you, hotspot.
Thank you, hot.
Alright, bye. Say bye, Maxwell.
Hi.
No, we gotta say bye. Say thanks for watching, bye.
Bye.
You're gonna have to do a video with Daddy. Show off your new Lego castle. You got some new additions to it, huh?
Thank you, watching. Please like. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Like so much fun.